Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up and create an account with Netflix. So if you're not already signed up, what you need to do is go to netflix.com. I'll link their main website page right at the top of the video description. Click on that link, and right on their homepage, you should be able to enter in the email address that you want for this Netflix account right in this area. So type in the email that you want to set up for that Netflix account, and then click on where it says try 30 days free. Then it takes you to the next page where it says finish setting up your account. Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password to watch Netflix on any device at any time. So then click continue. So then it says create a password to start your free month. Just a few more steps and you're done. And you can enter in whatever password that you want right in this box and then click continue. And then choose your plan. You won't be charged until after your free month. Netflix is going to remind you 3 days before your trial ends through email, and then there's no commitments. You can cancel your Netflix subscription anytime, so then click see the plans. And as of this point in time, there's 3 different options for Netflix plans. You have the premium, which is $15.99 a month, and the difference between the premium and the other plans are right here at the top, where you can get video quality in Ultra HD plus HDR, and you can have 4 screens that you can watch at the same time. For $3 less, the standard plan, you can get video quality up to full HD. There's 2 screens that you can watch at the same time, and then the basic plan is $8.99 a month, video quality high, 1 screen that you can watch at the same time, and then all of these plans have the same benefits from this point going forward, where you can watch on your laptop, TV, phone, and tablet, unlimited movies and TV shows that are offered by Netflix, cancel anytime, first month free. And once you have the plan that you want selected, go down and click where it says continue. And then the final step is going to be setting up your payment so that when your free first month is done, Netflix will charge you from that point going forward unless you want to cancel before that point in time. And you have the option of entering in a credit or debit card, a PayPal account, or a gift code from Netflix. And click on the option that you want to set up as your payment. So I'm going to do PayPal, so I'm going to click here. And then your initial charge is, of course, going to be $0. And then after that point in time, a month later, you will be charged the plan that you had picked out. For me, it was the premium plan at $15.99 a month. And then I'm going to click continue to PayPal to set up the payment option there. And then the final page here is just going to have the plan that you had selected. You can change it on this page if you want. And then also the payment information that you had set up. You can also edit that right here. And at this point in time, you can click the start membership option to get your first month for free. So I'm going to go ahead and click that start membership button. Then it says, welcome to Netflix, your membership, which starts for free. As soon as you click that start membership option, it has begun, and you can cancel it anytime over the next month, and you will not be charged. If you're enjoying Netflix, then it will charge you at the end of that free trial. And if you want a password recovery option set up through your phone, you can enter in your mobile number right here, and then you can click continue. And then it asks, what devices will you be watching on? For me, it's going to be a smart TV, phone and tablet, desktop, laptop, and then also streaming media players such as my Amazon Fire or Chromecast or NVIDIA Shield, also Roku TV and Roku streaming player, and potentially Xbox as well. So having all of those clicked, I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click continue. And then it asks who will be watching Netflix. Everyone in your home can enjoy suggestions based on their own viewing tastes. And what you can do here is enter in your name on your profile here at the top, and then also add in additional people that might be viewing Netflix in your home so they can customize their own experience on that Netflix account, and then click continue. And then to get a bit of personalization out of the gate, it's going to ask you to choose 3 of the following that you like. So for me, I'll go ahead and click The Office as well as Better Call Saul, and I'll wrap things up here with 7 Deadly Sins and then click Continue. And based on those choices, it set up a list of things that I could potentially enjoy watching on Netflix, and now I am in my Netflix account after going through that setup process. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.